In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prioritize Google Tasks. We'll keep this simple and practical. You'll learn how to get to Google Tasks from Gmail, add a task quickly, and then prioritize it so the most important work stays front and center. Start by opening your browser and heading to gmail.com. Sign in if you're not already. Once Gmail loads, look at the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a thin side panel. If it's collapsed, click the small arrow at the bottom right to expand it. This panel is where Google Tasks lives alongside Calendar and Keep, and it's the fastest way to manage your to-dos without leaving your inbox. Now click the Tasks icon in that right side panel. It looks like a small blue circle with a check mark. When you click it, the Tasks pane slides open. This is your list view. If this is your first time here, don't worry. The layout is straightforward. Your list title at the top, a button to add a task, and your current tasks below. Click Add a task. Type a short, clear title that starts with the action you'll take, like draft project brief, instead of something vague. Press enter to save it. If you want to enrich it, click the task to open its details. Here you can add notes, think links, context, or a quick checklist of what done looks like, and you can set a due date and time. Keeping titles concise and details in the notes makes your list scannable while still informative. Now let's prioritize your task. The most effective way to prioritize in Google Tasks is to order tasks manually. Click and drag your new task to the top if it's the most urgent or important. This creates a clear, visual priority stack. Next, add a due date and time to anchor when you'll do it. Dated tasks also appear in Google Calendar, which helps you protect time to execute. If the task is large, break it down with subtasks in the details view. Smaller steps make it easier to start and give you quick wins as you progress. If you see a star option in your tasks interface, use it to mark your top priorities. Just don't star everything, or the signal loses meaning. That's all you need. Open Gmail, launch tasks from the right panel, add your task, and then prioritize by reordering, dating, and breaking big items into manageable pieces. Revisit this list daily, adjust the order as priorities shift, and keep due dates realistic. With a consistent routine, your task list becomes a reliable guide for what to do next.